Welcome to Cheshire Gas, your reliable provider of gas solutions for homes, businesses and beyond. Need gas cylinders for home use? We've got you covered with a range of sizes, from propane for cooking, heating and outdoor leisure to butane for indoor heating or camping, and all the accessories you could need. With a fast and friendly service, we're here to serve homes across Greater Manchester at affordable prices. For businesses, we provide bottled gas supply for heating, forklifts, catering and much more. Our second-to-none delivery service ensures you never face downtime, with same-day delivery and a convenient weekly top-up system. No matter your business size or needs, Cheshire Gas tailors our service to you, offering reliable supply and support. If you're switching for your bulk LPG needs, Cheshire Gas makes it seamless and cost-effective, with no annual tank fees and competitive rates. We'll handle the quick and simple switchover at no cost to you. LPG stands out for its versatility, emitting 33% less CO2 than coal and 16% less than heating oil. With widespread usage throughout Europe, LPG provides both flexibility and environmental friendliness. We take pride in our outstanding reputation and our affiliation with the LPG Trade Association, guaranteeing you're working with a reliable partner. Join the many satisfied customers who trust Cheshire Gas. Call us today at 0161 303 0709 and experience the convenience and reliability of our gas solutions.